Hi there. Today we're going to build a simple Bycocket or Robinhood hat. We're going to start with two pieces of 18 by 12 felt. And we're going to start by guesstimating how big our heads are. My head is about 14.5 inches. So we're going to mark the spot that's 14.5 inches. Then we're going to go from the opposite corner, angling directly toward the other corner, and we're going to start to draw a line about 3/4 of the way all the way back. Now, guesstimating, we're going to pick a spot. We're going to start sloping it towards the 14.5 mark, ever so gradually, just like so. Depending on how long you want the front of the hat, you can go further out or back a little. If you go too far, you're really going to have to starch it to keep it rigid. So I'm going to go for 14.5, and you go as far as you need. Now we're going to cut both pieces out exactly along that line. And we'll put the other pieces away. You can make another hat out of those. Then we're going to stitch the long end and the short end, leaving the bottom part open. Alrighty. Once you're done doing the stitching all the way around the two sides, we're going to make it inside out. Don't over push, just take your time. Line up the hat again. Get a nice flat. Get it nice and flat. And we're going to fold up the bottom. Inch and a half, 2 inches, whatever makes it fit your head. And everything flat. And there you have your simple hat. Don't forget to iron your hat. It'll make a big difference. We have our feather, and we're just going to hot glue it in place wherever you like. I think I'm going to try around there. Put a little hot glue on there. And hold it in place. Thanks for coming out. This was a short one, but I hope you enjoyed it.